Welcome to Computer Repair Center software by ETL Infotech. Now I'll just log into the system. Once we log in, the customer walks into the center and we have to enter the customer's record. The customer's record is entered here, and once the customer record is entered in this, we use the customer's mobile number and create a new ticket. The new ticket button is clicked and then this panel opens up. Here we enter the mobile number and we create a new ticket. Once the new ticket is created, the ticket becomes unassigned. So we have to assign it. So we go to tickets, assign the ticket to a particular technician, and then once the ticket is assigned, we go to pending jobs. At the pending jobs, we slide this to the right and we see that this particular ticket has to be worked on. We work on the ticket and then the ticket is closed, and whatever bill items are entered into the ticket, and then we go to new invoices and generate an invoice. Here the invoice is generated. We make the payment in this panel, either cash or credit card. The payment has been made. Okay, then we print the invoice. The invoice is printed and given to the customer. Once the invoice has been handed over, we can go to the billing. We can see what is the billing that has been done. We can use the analytics and see what is the unsolved, solved, pending, suspended, deleted, unassigned tickets that are available. And similarly, we can also see what are the tickets available, what are the customers available, and we can also generate all reports for all. For example, all the customers that are listed for the past 30 days. By a ticket number, invoice by a ticket number, then either the ticket if you want to. These are the various utility offered by this particular software. This software can be used by a computer repair center anywhere in the world, as the software is installed on the web and it is accessible by using password over the web. Thank you very much.